So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest woodworking projects that you can imagine. This is a towel rail from 2 pieces of reclaimed or pallet wood. Okay, so for this towel rack, the material could not be simpler. This is basically 1 piece of off-cut or reclaimed wood, or pallet wood for that matter. I've basically drilled 2 holes, one in each end. The size of the hole would obviously be peculiar or particular to the width of your piece of plank. So it doesn't really matter what size it is. I then drew with a long ruler or a straight edge of any sort, a line between that end and this end. And I'm basically going to cut that out on the 2 lines with a jigsaw, whatever saw you've got to your for your use available. At the bottom end or at the other end, I'm basically going to use this as a support at the back. This is going to be mounted on top of it, like so. If you look at it from the bottom, it would be like so. And this would be you can drill some holes through this, and this will be for this to be mounted against the wall. Let me start by cutting out this part, and then we'll attach this to the bottom end. And that should basically be the majority of work. Okay, so as you can see, the main thing that I did with this is obviously I cut out the centerpiece, and then afterwards decided to do a bit of a round over on both sides, so that the towel won't be caught on any sharp edges or anything, or it's just a bit safer. You can do the same on the outside if you wish. And the next phase or step for this would probably be to stain it, obviously, since it's going to be in contact with some damp environment or with some with moisture and so on. So this needs to be sealed or painted. And thereafter, you can mount it to your wall. You can either just drill 2 holes through here, mount it to your wall, whichever way, or you can put some hooks on the back to hook it whatever your situation may be, or your needs may be in your situation. So as simple as that, you've made a nice, easy, simple project. This could not be simpler. It's 2 pieces of wood, a hole cut in one, some rounding over doing, and painting afterwards, mounting it against the wall. Very simple, very effective. Now you can give this as a gift. You can do it for yourself. You can even sell these if you really want to. Very simple product to make. If you do like this and you want to see more projects like this, be sure to mention it in the comments below. Also, what type of projects you would like me to see build. So until next time, thank you very much, guys.